Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect WooCommerce REST API in Node.js, beginner guide step by step clearly. In this video, we'll guide you through connecting the WooCommerce REST API using Node.js. First, make sure you have Node.js installed on your machine. You can check this by running Node v in your terminal. Next, create a new directory for your project by using the command dir WooCommerce API and navigate into it with cd WooCommerce API. Now, initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init. This command will create a package.json file with default settings. Next, you'll want to install the Axios library to make HTTP requests. Run the command npm install Axios to add it to your project. After the installation, create a new file named app.js. Open app.js in your code editor. To use Axios, you need to require it at the top of the file. Add the line const Axios equals require Axios. Now, set up your WooCommerce API credentials. You will need your consumer key and consumer secret from your WooCommerce account. Next, define the URL for your WooCommerce store. This typically looks like https://your-store-url.com/wp-json/wc/v3 . Store your credentials and URL in constants for easy access. Use the following structure: const URL equals https://your-store-url.com/wp-json. Name it fetch products. Inside the function, use Axios to make a GET request to your WooCommerce API. Use Axios.get and pass an object with the URL and authentication details. Your code should look something like this: JavaScript async function fetch products, try, const response equals await Axios.get, URL plus, simply add fetch products at the bottom of your app.js file. Now, save the file and return to your terminal. Run your Node.js application with the command. You should see a list of products from your WooCommerce store in the terminal. If there's an error, double-check your URL and credentials. Congratulations, you've successfully connected the WooCommerce REST API in Node.js. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.